This is my younger brother. Now, what are you upset about?
Put that phone down.
So you said the commissioner of police should arrest me?
Yes, we are not
over what?
Bring you to the office.
By force?
Is it by force? I'm not holding you.
No, but you said that. So why you then have? So we didn't bring a letter of invitation now.
Somebody, sorry.
That's not your business. When did you start telling people how to wear their clothes?
You are saying people should not use phone.
Let my car follow me. Is the car here?
Yes. Wait. Baba, wait first.
No, wait.
Let the.
You have to take me with my lawyer, so provide an avenue for.
Your lawyer can come and
Yes. No, wait. Now let him enter first.
Enter.
Clear the thing now. Where's this person? Oh.
Where's your secretary?
Enter, please.
Can you come? Drive down. How are you now? How far?
No, sir.
Even though you know what you are doing is bad, so
I'm not doing anything.
no problem. But you know we had to stand for you when they oppressed you. So if you are standing for oppression, you know the problem.
Just follow us. Anybody that is following us. Please, sir, wait.
My car is coming. You said it's an invitation. Why are you in a hurry?
I don't understand.
Yes.
Well, only they have the picture.
How are you?
Is this your car?
Yes.
So they follow us from behind.
Let me give them my stuff.
What's going on? Why? What did you do?
They said they shouldn't look for the behind that was able to capture when the police was. They said they should drop phone.
Follow them.
Yes, follow them.
See, that was how one day.
They go.
Oga, follow them. Don't wait. Just drive behind them.